Hello everyone. Today I would like to show about the PLC S7-200. Yes, about the CPU, how to wiring cable and test with the relay, and how to wiring the extension EM. For example, the extension used when the CPU is not enough the I/O, so we use the extension. So in this video I use the CPU PLC S7-200 CPU 226 CN and EM223 CN. Okay, so I will explain step by step about the extension I/O. Okay, so let's start. Open the software. Normally the CPU, here is the drawing CPU. Yes, normally this CPU 226 AC/DC. This is a specification, and this is a drawing of wiring of this CPU. This is a DC power supply, but in this case I use this one, AC power supply. Yes, and AC power supply support 120 to 140 AC. Okay, and when we supply power to this CPU, it will have output 24 voltage from this terminal. I will show you after I explain this one finish. Okay, so this is the output terminal. Okay, the output terminal, we can connect it to relay or contactor to control the motor or solenoid valve or something. Okay, electrical device. And this one from I 0.0 to I 2.7, which means that 16 bit. Okay, this is the input. The standard input is 24 voltage DC. Okay, and one more thing for the extension, I will explain the extension more. Now I use 223 CN, EM223 CN. Okay, where is the 223? 223. Okay, this one 223. 223 is input. We have input 8 bit, the same as 8 points, and output 8 bit also. Okay, so how to count the CPU point and EM extension point? Okay, I will explain. Normally the CPU point, this one, start from I 0.0 to I7 2.7. Okay, so it means that in the program, okay, open the program. So this one example, I use I 0.0, right? Okay, this is this one, yes, I 0.0. If I have extension to install, okay, I will explain. Now we use the CPU, right? CPU 226, right? Okay, 226 start from I 0.0, and Q 0.0 also. Until 2.7, right? Sorry, 1.7, right? 2.7, okay, 2.7. This Q I, right? Sorry, I this one input, okay, and Q also output 1.7. It means that 32 bit input and 16 bit output, okay. Q 1.7, okay. If we want to write the program, we need to understand the concept first and wiring first, otherwise we cannot do it, okay. So right now I have one EM, right? 223 EM, okay. Right now I connect EM to this cable for connect EM. Okay, I have EM. This one cable connect to this. Okay, this one is EM 223, right? Okay, 223 start from what? Input 8 bit, right? 8 bit. This is 8 bit more, and output also 8 bit more, okay. So it means that if the CPU earn, this is the earn of CPU, right? Earn, okay, earn of CPU. This one earn also. And this one EM should be start from I input, okay. Input what? 3.0, okay, until 8 bit, right? 8 bit until 3.7, 8 bit, right? 3.0 until 3.7. This is a 8 bit. Okay, 8 bit. Okay, and the output also 8 bit. Okay, so output start from Q what 2.0. okay, until Q 2.7. okay, it means that 8 bit also. 8 bit also. Okay, we will test compare with the program. Okay, 8 bit also. So this is the concept of PLC Siemens S7-200 wiring. Okay, S7-200. okay. So in the program, for example, if I want to use the EM, it will start from 3.0 until 3.7. okay, and Q, this is the earn Q 1.7, so it will start from Q 2.0 until Q 2.7. okay. So next we will test with the PLC to compare. Okay, and other one, for this one we need to connect the power 24 voltage to this okay. If we not supply voltage to the module, we cannot use it. Okay, it will not work, right? So we need to connect the 24 volt to the terminal. Okay, so let's start wiring. Wait a moment, I will wiring the cable first. So right now I already connect the cable from PLC to input, and I would like to explain more. For this terminal is the 220 volt. Okay, 220 volt AC. I will measure the output. Okay, you see 220 AC, and this one 1 ohm, right? 1 ohm is minus 24. Normally when we supply 120 volt to this one, this terminal, right, it will has 24 voltage from this terminal. Yeah, okay, I will measure. Okay, you see around 25 or 24 volt. Okay, so this point, this terminal, I connect from here. Yes, connect from here, and this one is voltage plus. Okay, it means that 24 volt plus, and connect to here, and then here I jump this terminal, and then this one, for this one I connect to I 0.0. okay, I 0.0, and this one I connect to extension. Okay, so when I turn on this one will light. Yes, I off, it will dark. Okay, this one also. Okay, so right now we let's go to create the program for test. Okay, so for example, I start from I0.0 because I already connected cable to I.0, 0.0. Okay, for example, I want to start the Q1 Q of extension, right? For example, 2.0. So Q 2.0. Okay, and the another one, for example, I take I from extension to control Q output of CPU. So I will start from sorry, this one. Start from I 3.0 to control the Q 0.0 of CPU. Okay, this one we can comment it. If we want to comment, we can go to here. Okay, I, for example, input extension, sorry, input CPU 0.0, I 0.0. Okay, and output H10 Q 2.0. Okay, another one, I input H10 0.0, I 3.0. Okay, and one more for output CPU bit T0, so Q 0.0. Okay, and we compile it. Okay, it will be like this. So this one is the I 3.0, right? Okay, and control the output Q 0.0 of CPU. Okay, so we will connect the connector for download the program. Right now I connect the cable to this part. Okay, and then I will use this cable for download. Okay, Siemens, this cable. Okay, and I will connect this to USB port of my computer. Okay, connect. Okay, I choose this because I use VMware. Okay, right now we check the communication. So click here, click communication, and then double click. Okay, CPU 226. Okay, and then click OK. So before we download, we must change the language first, right? Okay, let's change the language first. So we can save the project first. Test, for example, test IO. Okay, then I will go to change the language. So go to tool option and general and Chinese. Okay, and save it, and then we open again. Okay, so let's start communication again. Okay, so press the button to download. Okay, download, stop CPU. Click OK. Okay, right now we already download to program to PLC. So let's test together. For example, I switch on this switch. Yes, you see, I 0.0 on. It control to extension on. Okay, so extension Q extension is on, and I will turn on the input of extension, this one on. Okay, you see this one on. Okay, so it's very easy for wiring the connector to from extension card to PLC to CPU. Okay, so we will follow the drawing if we want to do something, because this is the drawing, this is the guideline, so we will follow up it. Okay, so this video I would like to say thank you so much for watching my video, and see you next video. I will create the new video for this one about PLC S7-200. Yes, for show and share to us. Okay, and don't forget like and share and subscribe my video. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.